What if you could stop jumping between ChatGPT, image generators, content tools, automation platforms, and a dozen different AI subscriptions, and instead simply send a message telling AI what you want done, and have an AI agent actually do the work for you? That's the idea behind Claw AI Army. Instead of opening another dashboard, figuring out another prompt, and manually moving results from one tool to another, Claw AI Army is built around a different concept. Don't operate AI. Delegate the work to AI. So in this Eureka review, we're taking a closer look at Claw AI Army, what it does, what you get, who it's designed for, and whether it could be worth considering for your online business. AI tools are everywhere. You might have one tool for writing, another for creating images, another for voice, another for research, another for SEO, another for automation. And before you know it, you're paying for a pile of different AI subscriptions every month. But here's the strange part. Even with all these tools, you're still doing the operating. You open the application. You write the prompt. You explain your business. You copy the result. You paste it somewhere else. Then you repeat the entire process for the next task. AI may have made you faster, but you're still the person moving everything from one tool to another. And that's exactly the problem Claw AI Army is trying to solve. Instead of asking, which AI tool should I open? The idea is, which AI employee should I assign this job to? That's a very different way of thinking about AI. So, what exactly is Claw AI Army? Claw AI Army gives you access to specialized AI agents designed to handle different business and marketing tasks. And one of the most interesting parts is how you communicate with these agents. You can assign work through platforms you may already use, including WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and the web. So instead of learning another complicated dashboard, the idea is that you can simply message your AI workforce. For example, you could tell an agent, create a content plan for my affiliate marketing campaign. For example, research this market and summarize the biggest opportunities. Or, create a promotional campaign for this product. The agent can ask for any information it needs, run the appropriate workflow, and return the finished work. That's the core concept behind Claw AI Army. Message the job. Let the agent handle the workflow. Get the finished result back. And that's why I wouldn't describe this as simply another AI chatbot. The bigger idea is an AI workforce. Now let's look at what's included. According to the offer, Claw AI Army comes with 250 plus specialized AI skills. These are individual capabilities designed for different types of tasks. But perhaps even more interesting are the 55 plus done-for-you workflow agents. These cover areas such as content creation, marketing, sales, launches, e-commerce, research, SEO, customer support, and agency work. So instead of starting from a blank screen and trying to figure out exactly what prompt to write, you can use specialized workflows built around particular jobs. For an affiliate marketer, for example, you could potentially use AI assistants for content research, SEO, promotional content, campaign planning, and other repetitive marketing tasks. For freelancers and agencies, the possibilities can be even broader because you're not only creating work for yourself. You may be creating work for multiple clients. And that's where another feature becomes interesting. Claw AI Army also includes a custom Claw agent builder. The idea is that you're not limited to the agents that come pre-built. You can create your own specialized AI employee without coding. Think about that. Instead of repeatedly explaining the same instructions to an AI every time you start a task, you can create a specialized agent around a particular role or workflow. An affiliate content agent, a YouTube research agent, an SEO assistant, a social media content agent, a customer support agent, or even an agent designed specifically around a particular client. The platform also includes agent memory, projects, and task history, which means the system is designed to maintain context rather than making you start from scratch every time. And there's another feature worth mentioning: human approval gates. AI automation sounds great until you realize you may not want an AI making every important decision completely on its own. With human approval gates, sensitive actions can require your approval before the agent continues. So you can let AI handle repetitive work while still keeping yourself in control of important decisions. Claude AI Army also uses a multi-model engine, which is designed to select the appropriate AI model for different jobs behind the scenes. That means you don't necessarily have to spend your time figuring out which model is best for every individual task. Now let's talk about the price. The front-end offer is currently positioned at $39 as a one-time payment. And according to the offer, this gives you access to the entry-level Claude AI Army workforce. There are also additional upgrades for people who want more capacity and capabilities. The funnel includes upgrades covering areas such as unlimited usage, visual creation, voice capabilities, additional skills, and an agency white label platform. So the $39 offer is essentially the starting point. The complete funnel can go higher, with the maximum one-time cart stated at $374. That means the real question isn't simply, is Claude AI Army $39? The better question is, what level of AI workforce do I actually need? If you're experimenting with AI agents for the first time, the front end may be enough to explore the concept. If you're running an agency or a serious online business, the additional capabilities may be more relevant. Now, who is Claude AI Army actually for? First, digital marketers and affiliate marketers. If you're constantly creating content, researching products, writing promotional material, building campaigns, or managing multiple marketing tasks, specialized AI agents could potentially take some of that repetitive workload off your plate. Second, freelancers and agencies. If you're providing content, marketing, SEO, research, or support for clients, automation can become much more valuable because your time directly affects your margins. Third, YouTubers and content creators. Research, planning, scripts, content calendars, promotional material, and other repetitive tasks can potentially be delegated. And finally, solo entrepreneurs and small businesses. If you're doing the work of several different departments yourself, the idea of having an AI workforce available on demand becomes pretty interesting. But let's also be realistic. AI agents aren't magic. You still need to provide good instructions. You still need to review important outputs. And you shouldn't assume every task can be completely hands-off. That's why features like human approval gates are important. Let AI handle the repetitive work, but keep control where you need it. So, what's my final take on Claude AI Army? For me, the most interesting part isn't simply the number of AI features. It's the change in how you interact with AI. We've spent the last few years learning how to write better prompts, opening different AI applications, copying results, and connecting tools together. Claude AI Army is essentially asking, what if you didn't have to operate all those tools yourself? What if you could simply assign the job? That's a compelling idea, especially for affiliate marketers, digital marketers, agencies, freelancers, content creators, and small business owners who are already spending a lot of time managing AI tools. And with the entry offer currently listed at $39 one time, it provides a relatively accessible way to explore this AI workforce concept. If you want to check out Claude AI Army for yourself, you'll find the link in the description. Before purchasing, make sure you review the current offer, features, terms, guarantee, and available upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting. If you enjoyed this Eureka review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eureka Review, and turn on notifications for more reviews of AI tools and digital products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Eureka review.